So Google has been pushing Gemini pretty hard lately, and now a lot of people are hearing about something called Gemini Omni. But what exactly is it? What can it do? And is it actually worth using in 2026? In this video, I'll quickly cover the features, pros, cons, pricing, and who Gemini Omni is really for. And for now, let's get started. What is Gemini Omni? Gemini Omni is Google's advanced multimodal AI system built into Gemini ecosystem. The word Omni basically means the AI can handle multiple types of content at the same time, including text, images, audio, video, documents, live conversations. And instead of just being a chatbot, Gemini Omni is designed to work more like a real AI assistant that can see, hear, understand, and respond naturally across different tasks. It's deeply connected with Google services like Gmail, Google Docs, Drive, Sheets, Chrome, Android devices. So if you already use Google products daily, Gemini Omni fits directly into that workflow. Main features. Number one, multimodal AI. This is the biggest feature. Gemini Omni can understand several input types together. For example, you can upload an image, ask questions about it, and continue the conversation using voice. You can also summarize PDFs, analyze screenshots, explain charts, or even discuss video content. Number two, real time voice conversations. Gemini Omni supports natural voice interaction that feels much more conversational than older AI assistants. You can interrupt it while it's speaking, ask follow up questions instantly, and have more fluid conversations. This makes it useful for brainstorming, learning, research, productivity tasks, everyday assistance. Google Workspace integration. One major advantage is how well it works with Google Apps. For example, it can summarize emails in Gmail, help write documents, organize spreadsheets, search files inside Google Drive, generate meeting notes. If your workflow already depends on Google Workspace, this integration is a huge plus. Long context window. Gemini Omni can handle large amounts of information in a single conversation. That means you can upload long documents, large PDFs, or multiple files without constantly starting over. This is especially useful for students, researchers, content creators, developers, business users, coding and technical tasks. Gemini Omni also supports coding assistance. It can help with writing code, debugging, explaining programming concepts, generating scripts, reviewing code snippets. While it is not perfect, it's definitely competitive with other major AI tools in this space. Pros. Excellent Google ecosystem integration. This is probably its biggest strength. If you use Android, Gmail, Docs, or Drive regularly, Gemini Omni feels very connected and convenient. Strong multimodal features. The ability to combine voice, text, images, and files makes the experience much more flexible than traditional chatbots. Fast performance. Responses are usually quick, especially for everyday productivity tasks. Good for productivity. Gemini Omni works very well for writing, summarization, research, brainstorming, organization, workflow automation. Cons. Some features depend on Google services. If you do not use Google Workspace or Android devices, you may not get the full experience. AI accuracy still isn't perfect. This is one of the disadvantages that Gemini Omni has. Like most AI tools, Gemini Omni can still make mistakes or provide incorrect information sometimes, so you should still fact check important outputs. Premium features require paid plans. Some of the more advanced tools and integrations are locked behind Google's premium AI subscription plans, so free users may feel limited. Pricing. Google usually offers a free version with limited access, while advanced features are included in premium plans like Google AI Pro or Workspace AI add ons. Pricing may vary depending on personal use, business plans, workspace subscriptions, regional availability. So it's best to check Google's official pricing page for the latest details. Who should use Gemini Omni? Gemini Omni is best for students, professionals, content creators, developers, researchers, Android users, and Google Workspace users, especially if your workflow already lives inside the Google ecosystem. But if you mainly use Microsoft tools or Apple focused workflows, you may prefer alternatives like ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot. Final verdict. Now let's get into the final verdict and conclusion. Gemini Omni is one of Google's most powerful AI systems so far. Its biggest strength are multimodal AI capabilities, real time voice interaction, deep Google integration, strong productivity features. It is not perfect, and some features still feel tied heavily to Google's ecosystem. But overall, it's a very capable AI assistant for work, learning, and content creation. If you already use Google services every day, Gemini Omni is definitely worth trying in 2026. And that's everything you need to know about Gemini Omni. If this video helped you out, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. And tell me down below in the comments if you have used Gemini Omni before or not. And that's all for this video, and goodbye.